Hi, I'm Dr. Mamatha, consultant obstetrics and gynecology with 14 years of experience practicing at Forever Women's Clinic, Whitefield, Hoodi. There is a perfect balance of hormones that are required for you to have your periods, the periods to have a normal flow and then to stop it and then to repeat after certain days, which is 28 to 30 days. So this requires a lot of hormonal balance. Whenever there is a hormonal imbalance, you can have problems with your bleeding. And the question in particular, that is in between the periods spotting. So there could be many reasons which can come under normal and can also come under abnormal reasons. The normal reasons why you can have spotting in between periods, the most commonest one could be ovulation bleeding. That means that when the egg is being released, some people, because of the hormonal changes, though it is subtle, can have a little bit of spotting which can be there for 1 or 2 days. That is by far the most commonest normal reason for having a spotting in between the periods. But there are many other abnormal reasons why there can be a spotting in between the periods. The most important one is infection. So any pelvic inflammatory disease, any sexually transmitted disease can sometimes also present as bleeding in between the periods, and there can also be trauma in the sense injury to your private parts during intercourse can also cause, or traumatic any other foreign body insertion and all can also cause injury to your private parts and can also present as spotting. The next most commonest reason is if the lady or patient is on oral contraceptive pills and they miss 1 or 2 doses of them, then can also they'll have a in between the periods for spotting. And the next thing that can of a little concern for us and which can be a little troublesome is any growth on the cervix. It could be a polyp or it could be a problematic cancer growth or anything can also present as spotting in between the periods. So your doctor is a better person for you to tell whether it is a normal cause or an abnormal cause. So whenever you have spotting in between the periods, it is always a wise decision to meet your doctor.